Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Anywheel bike step by step. Start by checking tire pressure, battery charge, and brake responsiveness before mounting. Safety first. Adjust seat height so knees have a slight bend at full pedal extension. Practice balancing at low speed and use gentle throttle to build confidence before riding in traffic or on trails. Keep your phone and ID secured and wear a helmet that fits properly. In this video, I will explain how to use Anywheel bike step by step. Start by locating the throttle, display, and mode button so controls feel familiar. Test each function while stationary or at very low speed to confirm responses. Use pedal assist for longer trips and throttle for short bursts. This balances battery use. Practice switching modes in a safe open area so you know how the bike reacts in real situations. In this video, I will review how to use Anywheel bike step by step. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers to your prep routine and pairs nicely with helmet Bluetooth for riding playlists. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to use Anywheel bike step by step. Place one foot on a pedal, hold the handlebars firmly, and push off slowly to maintain balance. Keep knees slightly bent and relax shoulders to improve control over bumps and turns. Practice turning, braking, and emergency stops in a quiet area until maneuvers feel natural and predictable under different speeds and surface conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.